Originally I wrote this play in the mid-90s, and I was going through a period where I was writing unsolicited scripts, which is trying to get a professional play on, and it just means you put your script in an envelope, post it away, and hopefully it'll go. It took me 6.5 years of writing plays before my first play on. I think I wrote 22 plays in that time, all of them horrific, terrible, terrible pieces of work. But in the middle of it, I'd written Bwrw'r Bronco. This one was set in my hometown of Girvan. I put all my old friends in it, and it was about Bronco and swings, which my cousin and I did for a summer in 1983, which is you work you up in a swing and you kick it over the bar, as we boys do. It was staged originally year 2000, I think, in the Edinburgh Fringe, in a swing park. It's normally done in a swing park where children are playing, and the audience sit in a circle around these adult-sized set of swings, and it's about children playing. It's about children as an adult comes back and narrates this whole story of really a kind of unimaginable sadness that happens to this group of wee boys. But most of the play is wee boys playing, you know. But they're shadowed by their adult self. So the adults are there and the children are there together, and the narrator. Unlike a lot of my other plays, there's never been a translation. There's never been another version, which is why I'm so excited about this, and why I came down, I think. But there's something about this appeals to me, that it's in Welsh language, and that it's where it's touring to, where it's set, the great translation that I hear only good things about. And now that I'm working on it a little bit, I can see how good the translation is, and I'm starting to see those decisions that have been made to just ever so slightly focus the camera on this audience, this specific audience. And I think it's really special.